Hello there, I'm Mrs. Ford. I'm the Department MYP Coordinator for Design and Technology. I just wanted to take you quickly through what your son or daughter's been working on or will be working on in Year 8 in Design and Technology. If you need to contact me, you can see my contact details are there on the screen. We teach design in rotation. Students study food, textiles, product design and resistant materials. We want students to enjoy what they're doing, to develop their skills and to work through the design process. The 4 criteria you can see there are criteria that we assess the students on: inquiring and analysing, developing ideas, creating the solution and evaluating. The first unit that students worked on this year was online, unfortunately, and it was about product styling. Here are some examples. Students were developing a storage unit for a brand and they were upcycling existing products. The second unit students are currently working on is about design influence. And what they were creating is a set of chopsticks and a chopstick stand for Alessi. Alessi is a company that has a lot of very famous designers who work for them, and students needed to select a designer and come up with some work based on that designer. They're then going to be moving on to working in these units that you can see on screen. They won't be working on all of them, but they'll have the opportunity to work on 2 of them. The details are there, and each of those underlined units is a hyperlink, so you can look at all of the details there. But the 4 things that they're working on, or they'll have the chance to work on in Year 8 and into Year 9, will be a clock, a mini amp, a product family range of textile products, and working on fusion foods in food. If you'd like to see where the resources are and the work that your son or daughter has been working on, you can look at the Google Classroom, you can look at Lionel, and you can also look at our Instagram. Each of these images on this slide are hyperlinks, so you can just have a click on those and see what they've been working on. Thanks very much.